out! Yucky, right? I'll show you what it's all about. No, that's wrong. First, let's draw a girl. She's cute, right? Coloring time! This color will suit her best. Now, we're going to make her hair. Let's cut this paper into strands of hair. That's how we make curls. Cute. Some glue to fix the hair in place. She looks so good with these curls. Snip, snip. Now watch this. She's going to cough. See? Everything is wet. All the bad stuff is out. But what if she covers her mouth with a tissue? It all stays on the tissue and doesn't spread. Check it out.